Hey guys, welcome back to Katara's Kitchen. So today I'm going to make authentic Jamaican Escovitched fish and I'll be serving it with some mashed potatoes. I hope you guys try this recipe and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and click the post notification bell. That's to make sure you never miss any of my videos. Anyway, let's get into the video. I'm showing you how I clean my carrots. This carrot is already clean, but I'm just demonstrating how I clean it. Then I'm going to cut the carrot into half and I'm going to ensure that they're actually the same length. Now I'm going to cut the carrots into smaller portions until I get it to the size that I desire. Yeah, and I kept this part of the video because I wanted to show all the persons who are new to cooking or have no idea how to chop a carrot. So there's actually a technique that I use. So what I do is I cut in the middle. I'm going to slant the knife and then I'm going to cut through the carrot. And please be very careful when doing this step because you can cut yourself. So please be very careful. Right? And I'm just taking my time and I'm just cutting through and making smaller portions. And you can do it to the size that you actually want it to be. So I'll be using 3 onions and I'm going to cut them into this size. And after I finish cutting the onions, I'm going to separate them. So I'm going to use 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Let's get into cleaning the fish. Now I'll be using gourmet trout. I like this type of fish. You can use whatever fish you like that is suitable for frying. So I'm going to remove extra scales from the fish. It came pre-scaled, but there's some scales on it, so I'm going to just remove it. So now I'm going to clean the inner part of the fish. I'm going to cut into the fish. I'm going to create some grooves, so whenever I'm seasoning the fish, I'm going to put some of the seasonings inside of the groove, and that way the fish will absorb the seasonings more. So now I'm going to add some black pepper. And then I'm going to add some salt to taste. And that's it. I'm not adding any other seasonings. I'm not adding any meat or all-purpose seasoning. It's just salt and pepper. And be sure to put some of the seasonings into the groove of the fish. Now be sure to apply the salt and pepper to both sides of the fish. So in my frying pan, I'm going to add some oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I'm using this oil. So now I'm going to allow the oil to become hot, and then when it gets hot, I'm going to put in the fish. Be careful not to over fry your fish. So now it's time to remove my fish from the pot, and I'm going to set aside the fish, put it on some absorbent paper. But if you have a rack, you can put it on a rack to let it drain. That is more desirable. Now I'm not going to wash the pot that I fried the fish. I'm only going to change the oil because the oil adds some fragments or sediments in there. So in order to remove the fragments, I had to change the oil. But I also want the flavor of the fish to be in there, so that's why I did not wash the pot. Now I'm gonna add my carrots, and I'm going to add my onions and the pepper, and I'm just going to let them cook or fry for about 5 minutes, because I want it to be crunchy, but I also want it to be soft, because I don't like when my carrots are too crunchy. So now I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar to the pickle, and this is going to actually create the pickle sauce that we're trying to create, right? And I'm just going to let this cook over medium heat, and then I'm actually going to add in some sugar. What the sugar does is going to give it a really nice taste. Also, it's going to give it a sweet and tangy flavor, because the apple cider vinegar is actually sour. So it's going to be sweet and tangy because the sugar is sweet. And it also kind of neutralizes the acid a bit that comes from the vinegar. Our pickle sauce is ready. I'm going to put the pickle sauce in the container, and then, I would actually like to put the pickle sauce first, and then I'm going to put the fish on top, and then I'm going to put more pickle sauce on top of the fish. Right? So the fish is going to be between 2 layers of pickle sauce. So now I'm going to cover the pickle sauce, and I'm going to basically invert the container, right? Because I want my fish to absorb, and I also want my fish to be covered with the pickle sauce, right? And we're finished. That's it. Serving my escovitched fish with some potatoes, mashed potatoes as promised. Don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that post notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.